Hello, and welcome back to our series. In the previous video, we've talked about upgrading our site, but right now your website still looks like the template it started as. So today, we'll change that. We are going to apply the branding assets we collected in our checklist to create a sophisticated high-end look. So let's go and manage our brand colors and fonts. On the Wix editor, go to Site Design on the left. This is where you can set your color theme, text theme, page background, and page transitions. These are the things that we're going to take care of today. Let's start with color theme. For your color theme, you should set your base colors. By default, it will be white and black, but you can change that to your preferred colors. Just make sure that they're contrasting colors in order to meet accessibility standards. By the way, your base colors are usually the colors used for your main backgrounds and texts on your site. You can also choose any color for your accent colors, just as long as it's according to your branding. And by the way, your accent colors will be used to highlight key elements such as buttons, links, etc. You can choose your colors by clicking on a color, for example, and you can use this color picker tool right over here, or you can input your brand colors hex code over here to make things easier. Then click on apply. So repeat the same process until you finish choosing your colors. Now, let's move on to typography. Go to text theme. You can manually select a font for your headings. You can manually select a font for your headings as well as for your paragraphs. You can choose from available fonts in Wix or you can upload your very own font. That's why it's essential that you have your brand font files prepared so that you can easily upload them. If you want some suggestions, click on Change Text Theme and select from Wix's preset themes here. Now, if you want to change your background, this is where you should go. You can change your background to a solid color, an image, or even a video. If you do decide to use an image or a video, make sure that it's not distracting to ensure your site visitors can focus on your content, not on your background. In my case, I'm going to leave it as white for a cleaner look. And finally, add page transitions. There are four you can choose from. Select transition to achieve that smooth and sleek feel when your visitors scroll. Once you're done with all of these things, don't forget to click on save to save your progress. And there you have it, a small yet essential step towards building your site's identity. And that's it for today. We hope you found today's video of help. If you did, hit like and subscribe for more Wix tutorials. Thanks so much for watching, and see you guys in the next video.